All right, so it looks like the second part is inputting like checks and stuff that come in. So this looks pretty easy. Again, I'm new to this and I don't know if this is the correct order, but this looks like how you would do it. So just make sure you're logged in. And then from what I'm thinking that you do, you go into orders, click on orders. Sorry, I have a bad cold. So then here brings up all our orders. And again, so this says it was completed by credit card. Looks like a check, and that must have been completed. And then this looks like it has a check that's pending. So you can go in and manage this. Looks like it, you click manage. And then you can hit receive payments. And then it comes up with what the fee would be. And payment options. So what the fee would be, whether they're going to end up paying by credit card, which they may call us in or contact us to do by credit card, but they're probably paying by check. So you would just hit down here and hit check. It would bring us up and you could put probably the check number in here, send them an email confirmation, and then it looks like you would just hit submit at that point, and that should update all that. I'm not going to do it because I did not receive payment on this person right now. But I think that looks like that should be it at this point right now. Sorry, somebody is ringing my phone. Sorry. I think that should be about it. I will send this over to you. I think that could be, this is balance statements. So this looks like people who have balances, possibly. And again, we have to look into some of this. They might not be correct at this point. So, I mean, mostly it's going to be the current orders that we're going to look at of who, probably the current ones that have orders with that. So, any questions, just let me know. I'm going to send you over an email about one that I need you to verify and look into past info, and I'll also research it as well. But any questions, just let me know. And we might have to play with the system as well because I don't have QuickBooks on my end, so I'll just have to look at it and compare it with you as well. Thanks for all your help.